Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily use Plus500 platform. Plus500 is a great broker with good customer support and also easy trading experience, and I believe that after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. If you're first time here, there is going to be a referral affiliate link down below in the description. If you're gonna register through it, you will support me and also this channel. So without further ado, let's go. Here you're going to be in Plus500, and what you want to do is just click here start trading now and then easily create account. Or also my recommendation guys is, if you never traded Forex, if you never used leverage before, use demo first. Like, get some experience going on how it works, because leverage and margin, they are amazing. But there comes like high risk, high reward, but also potential high losses. So use demo, master it, and after a while you see that okay, you get the idea how it works, then go with live money. That's just my recommendation for trading. So now let's jump into when you're going to create an account with start trading now. You would create your own account and you're going to be here. Let's learn what we can find here and how we can use it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to remove my camera now so you can see everything. All right. Now, when you would come here on the top left, what we can find here, menu. And first we're gonna go what we can find on left side, and then we will go further, all right? So on left side, you're gonna find menu, your account, where you can invite a friend. Some tools here as a market news, alerts that you can have, economic calendar, like what is happening, some market news you're gonna find here if you want, and also alerts, and you can simply add alerts here. So let's say how we can add alerts. That's how we're gonna start. So when you're gonna click add alerts, you can have like USD and find here like this. Okay, and then you're gonna see the price. Okay, alert me when the price reaches, and we can have, let's say, 1.02, and price type if it's a sell or a buy, and delivery methods, and you can have like if it's going to be a price change or a percentage or trader sentiment. So when buyers reaches 86%, then you would get notified. So here you can get easily notifications. Alert me when the daily change reaches. So when you see the drop would be, let's say daily, the drop would be 0.80%, then you would get notified by delivery methods, emails, and push. Here I can simply click set alert. And voila, here we got our first alert. So this is where you can like manage the alerts. And this is how you can do it. Now this is just in the tools what you can do, and also the reports, where you need like real money here, and then you're gonna have like settings here where you can have security, notification, display settings, etc. So this is the menu. Now when you're gonna go further, you're gonna be in trade. We will get to it. What you can actually do here. So in a trade, on the top, you can see available, equity, margin, and profit and loss. These are the basics. Available balance, amount available to be used as initial margin, equity, the current account valuation, maintenance margin. To keep a position open, available account equity must be exceed maintenance margin level. So you can see it right here, and then on top right you would find notification. Then you would find on the most popular. So here you would find all the popular options, risers and followers. Okay, your favorites. So if you can have your own favorites, you would find them right here. All commodities. Then you're gonna have the indices, country, then cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, then Forex option, Euro, USD, and then you're gonna have the Forex major, minor, or exotic. So you can trade those, and then you're gonna have the options here. And if you want me guys, I can create like complete tutorial how to work with options. And then you're gonna have the shares here, right? Apple, etc. And you're gonna have the shares based on also countries. And you can always search the instruments here. So I can write here AMD, right? And here I got it, look. So now when we understand where we can find like stocks at commodities, etc., let's buy some stocks and let's see how it works. So let's say we have, I'm going to buy Amazon right now. So I'm going to have Amazon here. And then one of the world's largest e-commerce and cloud computing companies. What I can do here, when you have Amazon, you can easily make it to favorites. You can make alert directly on Amazon. And now you can click, wait a second, sorry. Now you have option to sell or a buy. So let's say we're gonna click buy. Now we can always find the change here and some information here, and also the leverage would be right here, 1 to 5. So you're gonna have 1 to 5 leverage. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not 1 to 30, of course, but still great. And now you can see right here amount shares. So let's say you can see right here value. So let's say I'm going to have 10 shares. 10 shares is going to be $1,285, and this is to euro. Or let's say I'm going to have, I don't know, 35 shares. Oh, that's pretty good. And now what I can do here, we can make it more or less. I can click here close at profit or close at loss. So I can have close at profit. And what we're going to have the price of the stock here. So you're going to add the price of the stock. So let's say when the stock is going to be 145, we're going to have 575 profit, which is pretty great, I believe. It's great. Required margin is 90. So let's say we're going to have, when the stock is going to be 200, just for the sake of this video, when the stock price is going to be 200, we're going to have this profit. Or I can close it at a loss, and this is something I definitely recommend to do, guys. When you're starting out with the trading, have close at a loss here always, because when you're gonna work with leverage in Forex, so you're not going to lose all the money. And here I'm going to add a close at loss 115. So I would be close at loss minus 475 euro, which is again really amazing, I think. And you see right here, when I have it and when I have to close the loss, then I can also go to advanced and we can have trailing stop. The trailing stop feature allows you to place a stop loss order which automatically updates to lock in profits as the market moves in your favor. For example, you buy an instrument at a rate of 1.5 and set a trailing stop of 5 pips, and each of pips is equal to 0.1. So this is what you can also do and have a trailing stop here, or buy when a rate is. So this is something also what you can have is like, okay, you can also buy it at some point, right? And now when you're gonna have it, you're gonna click just buy. Okay. And what we can do, we right now bought Amazon, and I come here to open position. We have the net, the current value, the change, the limit stop, limit or stop 115, adjustments, overnight fee funding, open time. And we can see right now the top is changing. So we have the margin here, we have the profit and loss, and the equity. Now let's do the same thing, but we're gonna add it for, let's say, commodity, not options. And I can create like tutorial on options if we want to, guys. Is nothing. And let's say I'm going to have Euro USD. So right when I come here and we see the information. We can see 1 to 30 leverage. And now I'm going to click buy here. And we're going to have, let's say, amount of is 1,000 or 10,000. I can close the profit again. So let's go like this. Okay, for 10,000. And then I can close the loss. And guaranteed stop. A guaranteed stop puts an absolute limit on your potential loss. Even if the market gaps, suddenly your position will be closed out at exactly the price you specified, with no risk of slippage. You can only add a guaranteed stop when you place a new trade and can attach once of existing position. So if you want, you can have guaranteed stop right here. And then the same thing with advanced trading stop when buy when a rate is. So right now we got the amount here, 10,000, and with the margin, and I can simply click buy here. And I can again go to open position. I can see it right here. So this is how we do it. Now the next step are orders. When you will have executed what we just did, then you're gonna have the closed positions on some insights like most viewed, most follow stocks. And then that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to show you how we can use the graph here. So here in a graph, what you can do, you can make it full screen. This is what I have here. So I can simply click on natural gas and it's always going to change, like gold here. I can have info here and see what is happening. Then I can easily have drawing tools. And I can have average line here. I've been logged out. So wait a second, I was just logging back. Okay, here I am. So right now, let's say we have the drawing tool, the average line, and that's something you can have. Right? You can have also the channel. And you can easily use a drawing. Like this. Hoppa. And you can always come here and clear drawings. So again, I can have average line here. That's what you can do. And you see plenty of things here. Horizontal line, just line, regression line, segment, shape, and your text vertical line. Then you're going to have option to also add range sector. Then you're going to have also to add switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument. Then save indicators, and all the indicators you would find here as balance of power, Bollinger Bands, choppiness index, demarker, high minus low, and then chart style here. So now you're gonna have the period here. What you can simply have here like 5 hours maximal, and you see the price of the gold here. And then you see the chart resolution, and you can have it for 4 hours or 1 day, 1 week. And this is pretty much it, how you can use the 500. So you can always go to bottom left and find the funds where you can deposit and withdraw. And then you can switch between the light and dark mode. But using it is like pretty straightforward. You can use the, if you want mountain, candles, or you can use between hollow candle bar, colored bar, completely up to you. So this is how you can use the Plus500 trading platform. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Hope I gave you a little bit of value, what you can do here and how you can use it. For me, it's nothing that difficult, but most importantly, when you see the trade here, and I'm going to like make it smaller, and let's say I'm going to have the Forex options here. So I can also show you like how we can do that. Yeah, for options. But this is just the demo account that I'm showing you right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a Plus500 trading platform tutorial. And also, again, if you're starting out and if you enjoyed this video, you can use the referral link down below in the description and support me that way. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.